For those of us who can sit comfortably in Vajrasana, sit in Vajrasana, where the knees are apart, Vajrasana. Hips on the heels and knees are apart. To get comfortable, others who can't sit in Vajrasana only because of knee conditions, otherwise everyone can sit in Vajrasana, will sit in any seated posture or on the chair. Spine upright, gently closed eyes, shoulders tucked back, palms facing the ceiling. We become aware of our breath while we sit in Vajrasana, consciously taking awareness of cool air going in, warm air. Now, placing the palms towards your knees as you fold your wrists inwards. Stick the tongue out, look up cockeyed to start with Shwan Pranayam. Please watch one round if you are new to it. Some of you may cough. No problem. Clear the throat and restart. Pause. Restart. Look up cockeyed. Very good. Continue. Looking up in the cockeyed also should be very focused in the eyes, in the eyebrows. Continue. Restart, but don't discontinue this, please. Very good. Very good. Now come back and sit comfortably in any seated meditative posture, preferably the lotus pose, Padmasana. In Padmasana, we start doing Ujjayi from the right nostril now. Close the left nostril. Inhale and exhale from the right nostril in Ujjayi, the throat breath. Make a soundful inhalation and a soundful exhalation. In case you are new to Ujjayi, it has no contraindication, so please do not worry. It only has benefits pe benefits, benefits pe benefits, Ujjayi breath. दाई नासिका से सांस ले, दाई नासिका से सांस छोड़े. Continuing to do this now, bring the head down in a chin lock. Continue Ujjayi. Ujjayi is for respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. It has to be done without retention. For chronic coughs, colds, for asthma, bronchitis, and allergic conditions of the nose and chest, for physical fatigue, for mental fatigue, for asthma, And if done in the lotus pose Padmasana, it also strengthens the spine. Super duper benefits of Ujjayi. Currently going on with the right nostril by just touching the depression of the left nose. Gentle touch. Because dropping of the head is a bandha or an Udyan bandha. We're doing Ujjayi in that. Last round. Come back. Discontinue. Don't do this suddenly. Finish that exhalation in Ujjayi and then come back. No hurry. You don't want to leave it half. Very good. Now, this is something new we are doing today, like always. We are starting Anulom Vilom Pranayam, alternate nostril breathing from the right nostril. So we inhale from the right, exhale from the left, inhale from the left, exhale from the right. दाएं नासिका से सांस अंदर लेना शुरू करेंगे, बाएं नासिका से छोड़ेंगे, बाएं नासिका से सांस लेंगे, दाएं नासिका से सांस छोड़ेंगे. बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट और डिसिप्लिन काउंट करेंगे. 6 अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम. आफ्टर दैट राइट नॉस्ट्रिल से 6 उज्जय, सॉरी लेफ्ट नॉस्ट्रिल से 6 उज्जय. ओके, 6 Anulom Vilom Pranayam starting from the right nostril, 6 Ujjayi of the left. Let's begin. નીના નોર્મલ અનુલોમ વિલોમ પ્રાણાયામ છે, પણ જમણા નાકથી ચાલુ કરવાનું, 6 વાર કરવાનું, પછી ડાબા નાકથી 6 વાર ઉજ્જય કરવાનું, થ્રોટ બ્રેથ. બહુ નવું લાગે તો ઉજ્જય મોઢું ખોલીને ઇન્હેલ અને એક્ઝેલ કરવાનું માઉથથી. For those who have finished 6 Anulom Vilom Pranayam starting from the right nostril, followed by 6 Ujjayi breaths, only one-way traffic of left nostril, which is Chandragan Pranayam. We do exactly the same thing, 7 and 7. Right hand in Nasagraha Mudra. Touch the depression of the left nose. So the left nostril closes. Inhale from the right, close it. Exhale from the left. Inhale from the left, close it. Exhale from the right. Finishes one Anulom Vilom Pranayam starting from the right, followed by 7 Ujjayi breaths, inhaling and exhaling in Surya Agan, which is from the left nostril. We combine the benefits of Ujjayi, which you had heard earlier, with the benefits of Anulom Vilom Pranayam, improving oxygenation in blood and tissues, benefiting in the immune system, improving the functions of our systems and organs, balancing the autonomous nervous system, calming our nerves, calming our mind, and hence reversing insomnia and sleep disorders. An additional big time benefit is to reverse vertigo conditions. Ujjayi Anulom Vilom Pranayam combos in Chandra Agan reduces stress, strain, and stabilizes our cardiorespiratory system. If you have finished 7-7, there is no need to do more, just bring the hand down. Sit again in Vajrasana now. Knees apart. Only knee problem people will not sit in Vajrasana. Place the right palm on the abdomen. To do alternate nostril Kapalbhati exhalations. If you are new to this, please watch. Watch my abdomen go in. Those who have high blood pressure, arrhythmias, hypertension will do the same thing more gently. Even the speed is slow, even the intensity is low. You'll do this more subtle. Right palm is on the abdomen to watch it go in. જમણા હાથની હથેળી પેટ ઉપર રાખવાની અને શ્વાસ છોડતી વખતે અંદર જાય ઈ ચેક કરવાનું. Discontinue alternate nostril Kapalbhati. Continue keeping knees apart. Right palm continues to stay on the abdomen. Left palm goes on top for normal Kapalbhati. Normal, intense, gross Kapalbhati. Subtle only for hypertensives. Let's begin. Bandh, Vishram. We now do Bhastrika, the bellows breath. Inhaling, we open our arms to open up the lungs. Exhaling, we bring our arms into a hug in abundance. Please watch. Active inhalations, active exhalations. Very good. Discontinue using the arms, continue Bhastrika. Discontinue Bhastrika, discontinue everything. Watch yourselves. Expect silence from my end for a few moments. Starting with Agnisar now. In Agnisar also we sit in spread knee Vajrasan. Palms are on the knees, elbows are out like wings. Needless to say, those who cannot sit in this, please don't tear your knee ligaments. Sit comfortably on a bed or a chair. Now, inhale fully, सांस लीजिए. Exhale completely, abdomen in. ये देखिए, एकदम अंदर. Chin lock. Now abdomen out in, out in. मैंने मेरा exhalation retain किया है. मैं बोल रही हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी मैं सांस नहीं ले रही हूँ. अब मुझे सांस लेना है. I want to breathe now. So I discontinue the abdominal out in movements and I inhale gently and lift my head to normalcy, not up. Restart. After coming back, a third round, the last one. After doing Agnisar for the third round, no need to pause. Immediately start yogic breathing. Inhale, inflate the abdomen. Inhale more, inflate the lungs. Inhale more, make hollows in your collarbones here, like this. Exhale completely. Start. Yogic breathing. Using all the components of breath. योगिक ब्रीदिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. जब abdominal का inhalation होता है, तब put your anus and pelvis down. Yogic breathing. Discontinue yogic breathing. Now, continuing to keep eyes closed, do a pranayam of your choice. From 2 days to 8.5 months, you all have practiced this, trying to do it almost every morning in the 7:30 to 8:05 pranayam batch. Today, for these last 2 minutes, you will do a pranayam of your choice. Energizing, vitalizing, tranquilizing, sensitizing, balancing, or cooling, whichever category you want. Look at how the brain tells the body, gives it signal. This is what I need. The entire class could be doing a different pranayam, which teacher did not realize. Here's a chance to be your own teacher, be your own Param Guru, your own Sahaj, divine Atmaswarup. Only one of your choice. Repeatedly, but only one category, and one category is any one variation. Don't lose patience. No need to do too many things. Get ready to discontinue the practice of pranayam of your choice. For those who are doing the humming Brahmari, bring the hands down. Start preparing to slowly open the eyes. Close them again. Open them completely. Do a round of palming while capping palms on eyes. Open and close your eyes in darkness again.